want you to know that in America, over 700,000 cases gets filed in bankruptcy courts. That's a lot of cases. And therefore we have a country and a group of people that have a lot of debt. And that debt many times follow us through our lives, and guess what happens? It remains at our debt. Therefore, we're dead, but our debts are still living. They're still hounding our family members. How exactly can you manage that debt in estate planning? How can you protect your legacy and actually have something to pass on to your loved ones when you pass away? My friend, you're not alone. And therefore, I want to talk to you today about some clever strategies that you can put in place to make sure that your debt doesn't become the monkey on your children's backs. First of all, I want to talk to you about gifts now. Giving gifts now while you're alive. You could be giving gifts by way of trust for each one of your children. You could be putting monies aside in 529 plans for your children. There are many ways that you can control the assets now that you're alive, but you're putting those monies, you're putting those properties, you're putting those assets away from you so they're not counted in your estate when you pass away. What that does is when you pass away, your will gets probated and that inventory and appraisement gets produced to the court, because that's what your creditors are going to look at. They will not see those assets. Those assets won't be counted as possible assets to pay your liabilities. And so, yes, you have debt when you die, but those debts are not your children's debts. They're actually attached only to that particular asset. So if it's the house, that mortgage is attached to the particular home. If it's the LLC, that credit that you attach to that collateral is only attached to that collateral. And nobody will be looking to your other assets in order to pay your debt. One of the great ways to do that is to have joint accounts where the pay on debt designee is the person you want to get that money. That way you take that money right out of your estate. It doesn't get included in your probatable assets. And guess what? It's not accessible by your creditors. If you want to talk to an estate planning attorney who have little ways to make sure that you actually hand your legacy off to your loved ones, to the ones that you actually want to inherit your property, go ahead, reach out to us here at the Law Office of Brian Fagan, where we help families like you every day. Thank you. Hello, thank you for watching our video. And because you made it to the end of that video, we're offering you our new estate planning handbook. This is a wonderful tool and I'm sure you like it. Go ahead, download the link and let's get learning together.